Welcome back everyone. This morning we did feel for some peanut porridge. So here we are making the beloved peanut porridge the Jamaican way. Join us. First I started with my peanut, then I added my oats, then my coconut milk, which looks like actually coconut cream at this point, some vanilla, some ground nutmeg, I added some water. Some people also at this step add a little bit of flour for thickening, or you can add a little bit of cornstarch. So you add your cinnamon sticks to your pot, let it boil. You could add some vanilla, as this step adds a lot of flavor to your porridge. Any porridge you're making, do this step, guaranteed you add like so much more flavor to your porridge by allowing your cinnamon stick to boil. Basically you just blend until smooth or the texture that you like. Then you're gonna add to your boiling water. After you add your mixture to your hot water or boiling water, now you're gonna need to stir to avoid any lumps in your porridge. You don't know, as Jamaican people, if it lump up, it don't boil good and we don't like it and we criticize the people that make the porridge. So when you making your porridge, make sure as soon as you put in your mixture, you start stirring. You know Jamaicans are big on flavor, so now we're gonna go in and we're going to season our porridge per se. We're gonna add some more vanilla, rose water, and almond essence. The rose water and almond essence are optional, but I like my porridge flavorful and I had it on hand, so why not? Now I'm gonna add my milk and then I'm gonna stir. Trust me, stirring is one of the most important parts of making porridge, right? So that was condensed milk, guys, and earlier I added coconut milk. You could also just use carnation milk. Now I'm gonna add some sugar and a little bit of salt. Some people say I'm crazy for using salt in my things, but I'm a person, I like salt even in my coffee. So I'm one of those people. Add the pinch of salt and tell me you don't taste the difference. Well guys, we've come to the end of another video. Very short, spicy, and to the point. Breakfast is served, and thank you for watching.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.